A group of jackdaws responds immediately to the presence of the rowbird. We let them go because they will warn other birds in the area. In the meantime, the pilot is gaining altitude and flying towards the far left to be able to attack a group of gulls 250 meters away from above. The gulls respond, being warned by the jackdaws and the presence of the rowbird. The pilot turns towards them from the left side of the screen and starts hunting them. Several individuals try to separate from the main flock. The pilot follows them immediately and chases them back to the group. The rowbird has now effectively cleared the area of birds within a flight of several minutes.